Hey, welcome back. This is part 2 of a 2-part series on how to create inbox 0. So the first thing we'll do is we'll create a label. Now in my system, I'm going to have 100 labels, and I just want you to start with your first one. So let's use the idea of priorities and start there. Priorities. Okay, and each one of these you can change the color of. This one doesn't matter to me, so we're just going to start with a color. Picked orange. Now we're going to pick high and low, but instead of using high and low, we're going to use weekly as a frequency to check these, and as you'd guess, we're going to do a monthly. But you can see how easy it is to set these up. Nope, just like that. There we go. And maybe I want the weekly to appear on top. So maybe I'm going to put a 1 in front of it so I can manage that. We'll see. Okay. So now let's pretend that an email has come in, and my goal is to manage my energy for the day. And one way to do that is to not spend an hour working on low priority things or medium priority things. You know, I've got my goals for the day, my 3 or 4 important things I've got to get done. And when all this noise comes in through my email client, I want to be able to push aside the ones that I know I can look at, let's say Sunday night. So I've got an alarm in my calendar. Sunday night is to look at the weeklies, and perhaps the first Sunday of the month, I'll look at my monthlies. So let's pretend that this email that just came in is a weekly. So here's the habit you're going to build. Every time an email comes in, you're going to copy out the email address, and you're going to build a filter with it, or you're going to add it to an existing filter. Okay, so I've got that copied. I think right here we can go to, this allows us to create a filter immediately. I love it. From, there we go. Nope, that's it. That's good enough. And then we just create the filter. So let's pretend this is like a weekly thing from Burger Hut down the street, and it's a coupon, and I may use it this week or I may not. Not high priority for me. So, you know, I can look at it Sunday night and make a decision. Will I use it next Monday or Tuesday or something? I don't know. But I'm just trying to show that this isn't something I have to deal with today. So, is it something I need to respond to? No. So I want to mark it red. That right off the bat drops the priority in my brain when it comes in. Is there a label I want to assign it to? Yeah. Weekly. Because it's something I know I always want to be checking within the week before the coupon expires. You know, something like that. And I'm going to leave it there. That's it. Create a filter. Okay, so this one, I'm just going to go ahead and move it out and pretend that the filter has already worked. And now I'm going to come over here and send a pretend second one. How about that? So I want you to notice that it's marked as red. It's already got the label on it. And if I'm in the middle of my work day or I'm busy on a project and this comes through, I can go, yeah, I'm going to look at that Sunday night. So that is how you set up your labels and assigning them different colors. And that's how you set up a filter based off incoming email addresses. And the habit is every single email that comes through, add it to a filter. Okay. I'm going to show you one more little secret trick. And let me show this to you. So you're going to have to click on the gear icon and other settings and go in here to filters. Okay. And looks like I had already built one. Let me get rid of the one. Okay, so here's the one we just worked on. I want to show you. The magic secret is if you have another email address that you also want to go to weekly, you put an or in front of it, and then the next email just goes in front of it. You know, say that's 18, like that. And then you continue, and then you update the filter. Okay, so let's go back in and look at that. Okay, so that is the magic secret, is or on the from line. Well, where would that matter? Because if I have a filter called friends and family, I might have 20 email addresses in there. I want them all treated the same way. I want them left as unread, but then I want them to have a specific color that tells my brain, oh, friends and family. It's the friends and family color. So the colors are really going to work to your advantage as all these emails come through, and to tell your brain the priority or the urgency or the importance of the email based off setting up these filters. All right, hope that's helpful. See you in the next video. Bye for now.